everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I've just hit unlock on the key, so we've got the headlights going on here. And since we're at the front, I've got the key. Let me just press and hold the panic button for 1 second. So that's the pathway lighting system. Basically just shows up the entire lighting low beam system on. So let's do a lap all the way around the vehicle. Brooklyn Gray Metallic on the X3 here, looks good with the M Sport package. And now that we've had a chance to do our lap all the way around the car, let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Brooklyn Gray Metallic. On the website, certain cars it shows as M Brooklyn Gray Metallic. We've got some body lines coming down. In the center here, the X3 G45 has a very monolithic look to it. Rondelle up front and center. We've got the matte gray kidney grills here with the illumination. We've got the vertical and horizontal crisscross slats here. And down here, functional air ducts, M Sport design. We've got the split little chin there. And overall, I really like the M Sport design on the G45 X3. Now, if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW LED headlights, and it's the double stacked L-shaped headlights. I think that looks really nice, especially with the kidney grille all lit up. Now, when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036 M wheels in jet black burnished. And we've got the blue M Sport brake back there as well, looks good. And we have the body color rocker panel with the M welcome light carpet. It's kind of hard to see, but there's an M illuminating on the floor here. And we have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal. We have the black roof rails up top with the glass roof, and we've got new style antenna over here. Side profile view, so we have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. We've got the black window surrounds, and looks like front windows were also tinted. There's the rear 20-inch wheel with the Blue M Sport brake back there. And we've got the spoiler at the top here, rear wiper arm. And from the back here, let's get the tail lights on. So we do have the inverted, stacked L-shaped tail lights with the BMW on the side here lit up. More crisscross patterns. Vertical reflectors on each side. And down here, we don't have any visible exhaust, just this massive diffuser. But underneath here, there's your muffler. So since we're back here, I have the key with me. Let's kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. So that will open up the hands-free way. Once we have this open, there's a cargo cover in here, so that can be pulled out to hide your contents. You can press the button on each side here, so it shows orange. That allows this whole thing to come out. There's a space for it to be stored underneath here, and to push it back into place, you just push it until you no longer see the orange. Down here we have a space with some carpeted mats, tire inflator kit, wheel lock key tow hook, little netted area, and we've got a little cutout area on this side. Another grocery bag hanger, so that one can actually be used to prop this whole thing up if you want. And there's a little string here so you can pull this closed. Up top, a button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath to have this closed the hands-free way. Beauty. We come to the passenger side, fuel cap doors over here, connected to the central locking system. So when the car is unlocked, you can press 9 o'clock, Door opens, we're looking for 91 octane. There's a little spot to put the cap while you're refueling. Now if I go ahead and open the back door, you'll see inside we've got the black interior here. So we've got your window switch, door handle, there's the place to open the door, and you have some deep pockets, black seating surfaces, release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats. Headrest can be adjusted up or down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. And then over here at the top there's a button you can press that allows you to pull down the center pass-through. And on the back of each front seat there's some pockets, illumination with some winter mats down here. There are more vents down there as well. And we have some rear vents, storage, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And up top, there's your glass roof, fully open. We have some handles on each side with coat hanger, lights, microphones for Bluetooth on the C-pillar as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this, let's shut the door. And let's open up the passenger side. So passenger side also gets the M Welcome Light carpet. Let's open up the front door here. So we've got some ambient lighting. We've got some unlock, lock, vent controls, mirror controls, pockets, full power seat with under the thigh extension out. I'm just going to move this. I have to get in here later on. And we've got the rubber mats on the floor. Soft touch materials, some stitching going across the dash, more crisscross patterns all over the place. We have the curved display with iDrive 9. Down here we've got wireless charger with a vent, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's your cup holders, and we've got your glass iDrive controller. There's your gear selector and your volume wheel. And we've got the center console, you can lift that up. There's a 12-volt plug inside of there. And on this side we've got the steering wheel, so let's close this door and we'll go to the other side next. Alright, if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up that door. So inside we have more ambient light, unlock, lock. We have the vent open or close, memory buttons, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can press that to open or pull and hold that to close while the key's inside. More pockets down here. Full power seat with side bolster. Flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. Black marker at 12 o'clock. Paddle shifters are here. We've also got the signal stock over here with the exterior lighting controls are now on the signal stock instead of on the wall. And we've got your wiper stock on the other side. And because we've got iDrive 9 in here, so I just wanted to double check. In terms of driving, we have good old-fashioned regular cruise control. In terms of parking, we have automatic back park, front park, parallel park. We've got the universal garage door buttons underneath here. There's also buttons up on the top here, so sunshade button, interior lighting, and then we've got the interior lighting menu button here as well. And up top, we've got the visor comes down, mirror opens with the light, and there's a microphone in the ceiling on each side as well. So now that we've had a chance to look inside here, down here, you can't see it, but there is a hood release right here. 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything under the hood, you just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. We have 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We have your positive battery terminal here. We have your negative battery terminals as post. We have your washer fluid over here. And we've got some strut bars going across. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood roughly about halfway, you literally just have to center down. Just like that. Beauty. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more full lap all the way around. I think Brooklyn Gray looks really good on this car. And I think this is a nice wheel selection. So how do you like this spec X330 in Brooklyn Gray? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X3 30 xDrive in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the black interior and M Sport. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.